If you're looking for SAP courses on Coursera, you're probably wondering which programs are worth taking. In this review, I'll cover the best SAP courses on Coursera and explain why Coursera Plus can be a great value if you want to build in-demand SAP skills. Before we begin, check the discount link in the description. Eligible learners can get 40% off the Coursera Plus monthly plan for the first 3 months. Let's start with the top recommendation. The SAP Technology Consultant Professional Certificate is my #1 pick. It has a 4.6-star rating with more than 1,700 reviews. This beginner-friendly program teaches SAP S/4, HANA, enterprise resource planning, solution architecture, project implementation, and consulting skills. It's an excellent choice if you're preparing for a career as an SAP consultant. Another strong option is SAP Professional Fundamentals. This beginner course has a 4.7-star rating and introduces SAP applications, business consulting, project management, business transformation, and consulting workflows. It's a great starting point if you're completely new to SAP. If you're interested in business analysis, consider the SAP Business Analyst Professional Certificate. It teaches business process modeling, stakeholder management, requirements gathering, process improvement, and business analysis. It's designed for beginners who want to move into SAP business analyst roles. So, are SAP courses on Coursera worth it? I think the answer is yes. These courses are created by SAP itself and focus on practical skills used by companies around the world. They also provide recognized certificates that can strengthen your resume. The biggest question is cost. Individual learning programs typically cost around $49 to $79 per month. If you want to complete several SAP certificates, paying for each one separately can become expensive. That's where Coursera Plus offers better value. You get access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from over 350 leading universities and companies. You can earn unlimited certificates and explore other technology, business, cloud computing, and data courses without paying for each program individually. If you're planning to build a career in SAP, Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. Check the discount link in the description to see if the current 40% off offer for the first 3 months is still available.